Viewers, ladies and gentlemen, today is in fact the day 2 of the Constitution debate, which is a historic discussion really. Because Rajnath Singh, who's the Defence Minister, had initiated this conversation yesterday. In fact, all eyes today will also be on this discussion as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also expected to deliver the concluding remarks. In fact, there was a lot of clashes happening on Friday as the Rajnath Singh government also spoke against the opposition and claimed that I beg your pardon, that the opposition leaders were carrying copies of the Constitution in their pockets and alleged that the Congress always saw the document as a means to power. In fact, another fiery session is expected today, so let's stay tuned to all of that. We'll be bringing all that details, including the Prime Minister's address to the Lok Sabha, which is expected to happen later today. Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Gopi, who's joining us live from Vijay Chowk. Gopi, help us understand now. It is definitely an historic day in terms of the Constitution debate in the Lok Sabha itself. But of course, on Friday, there was a lot of clashes between the ruling party and the opposition, as expected. So we're definitely expecting a fiery charge today, with even Prime Minister Narendra Modi expected to sort of deliver the concluding remarks. Could you just take us through what we can expect today?
Well, good morning to you, Priyanka, and good morning to the viewers. Well, yesterday we saw the verbal spat of words between Rajnath Singh, and the maiden speech of Priyanka Gandhi was also witnessed on the eve of celebrating 75 years of implementing Constitution. While Rajnath Singh was focusing on that Constitution is not merely one party's document, it is a document where all parties had in fact contributed after the independence. To this, in fact, Priyanka Gandhi had said that, the Constitution is being used only by one party, and also the various ED, CBI and various private institutions are being used. So this was the inaugural speech by Rajnath Singh, to which Priyanka Gandhi had responded. While later in the evening we saw that TMC MP Mahua Moitra in fact made a controversial statement on the death of Judge Lohia, to which the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju in fact had said that action would be taken against Mahua Moitra for what she has said on the death of Justice Lohia, as the settlement was done by the Supreme Court. While Nishikant Dubey had also raised another point that how can she speak of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, as he had invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi during Ganpati festival. So House was in fact adjourned for half an hour, and then finally Mahua Moitra had concluded her speech at around 8:30, and House was adjourned for the day. All eyes today on the President's address, which is expected any time post 4 p.m. today. All eyes on the Prime Minister's address today on the implementation of Constitution and celebrating 75 years of Constitution. Back to you, Priyanka.
Gopi, that's right. As you sort of recapped it for us about what happened on Friday, the focus, of course, is on the Constitution debate. But are there any other key issues that are likely to also be discussed later today?
Well, in fact, what we are learning from our sources is that one nation, one poll might also be tabled after it was cleared by the NDA cabinets. Now, there is a possibility today. What we are learning from our sources is one nation and one poll might be tabled in the Lok Sabha today, while we will have to, all eyes, in fact, would definitely be on the speech of LOP as well today. Rahul Gandhi will also be speaking on the Constitution Day, while to this and to the entire 2 days discussion, Prime Minister is going to address post 4 p.m. today. Back to you.
Thank you, Gopi, for taking us through all of that and recapping Friday's events happening and also what to expect from today. Not only the Constitution, but also the One Nation, One Poll is likely to be on the radar, with even the leader of opposition expected to speak today.